Today we will be observing native grass lawn idea. So I selected a couple of places where naturally it is lawn like, that is grassy meadow, and then where cows graze. So the grazing of the cows has the same effect as lawn mowing. And species of grasses, they are a little bit more than controlled. Like if you imitate the grazing, what happens when grazing is there, then it becomes short and controlled. If it is not chopped, this will become 5 to 6 feet and all tall. When it is partially grazed, it becomes like this. That is, some little bit height is there. You can't exactly walk on this. It's pokey. But if it is properly trimmed, either by grazing of cow and sheep and all, or by you can mow it, then the grasses shrink like this. So small round formation happens like this much only, or like this. This is rain fed, so there is no watering. So it gets a small round form like this. So this is one formation, we can say, small round like this. If little bit sprinkling is done, then fresh shoots and all will come. It will be green and lush and nice. Then second stage will be like this, approximately this much. Third stage, if it is completely not grazed, then this is Aristida setacea, or one of that Aristida only. It will come up to this height, that is almost my height, that is nearly 5.5 feet tall. So full formation is like this much. Here also partial grazing has happened, and then more as the stems become more mature, its juiciness and all reduces off. So they don't like to eat these cows and all. They leave it as a food of last resort. Where nothing else is there, they'll eat it. So it can come up to this much of height. So this is one formation. The smaller formation comes up to approximately this size. This is the Heteropogon contortus. When it is regularly grazed, it becomes small and fine like this. And then round formation here like this. So if it is regularly chopped now, this part, it will be nice lawn like. It will become a nice lawn of native grass, and then rain fed also. You can water it, to put some light sprinkler once in a while. And then along with this, the species that are naturally occurring, they will come on their own also. If it is a nice bigger lawn, for example golf course and all, then all these will come on their own. That is this evolvulus Shankupushpi. Then some of the this spermacosi, this one. These all can be allowed to live. They are not going to bother anybody. And then this one, Veronia. This one. Then this one becomes a bit tall, but it is not thorny or anything. Then many small things are there. This is, I think, Stylosanthus probably. This one, all some small legumes and all come. It is soft and nice only. It's quite nice lawn formation is there. Little bit bigger stems become like this. That if it is chopped once, it will shrink and become like this. So a golf course, for example, they have large lawn areas. If they're a little bit flexible, if they want to play the real golf, they'll have to maintain this kind of thing. In the olden, when the golf started, they didn't have those fancy lawns and all, turf, girf and all that. So grasses will take shape like this. Like this. And then the flowering part also becomes very small, hardly 2 inches. And it will be non-troublesome. This grass, for example, it is here. So the round formation takes up like this. Like this. And even if this is removed, it will become like this. So this is the basic idea of the native lawn. It can be refined with choice of grass, can be adjusted depending on what one wants. You can find little bit smoother, softer grasses also if you water a bit more. Like that chloris, what is that? Chloris Guyana and all, or Chrysopogon. They are all a bit softer than this this Heteropogon contortus and all. So that is the basic concept. And many of the, this is one of the desmodium. All this can stay very nicely and it will be healthy and nice. Only plant that has to be rooted out is this touch me not, because this will be thorny and it will bother people. It has to be removed. So in a nutshell, that is the concept. Even Heteropogon contortus will shrink to this some 2 inches, 3 inches size. Flower also is there. Also this one, this is that I think Symbopogon. This one also is taken very small shape, hardly some 6 to 8 inches with flowers. So that is the basic concept. And the grasses which I found to be all right are for dry lands, 2 species of Aristida, that is that Anchi Hulu. One is this one, Sannanchi and Doddanchi. These two are amenable to regular grazing or chopping, and then they'll shrink. Second is this this one, this contortus. Third is this one. I couldn't exactly get the identity yet. This one. This is also another smaller, softer grasses only. So probably about, and the Chrysopogon also. So half a dozen to 1 dozen species are available to choose from, and very nice lawn formation, meadow formation can be maintained like that. Now if you go down and look at it, grass flowers will be only this much. It's quite soft actually, soft and nice. And that plant itself will be here. This is the central formation here. So this is the basic idea of the lawn. And for boundaries and all, this is a good plant. It's there in plenty. It is self-maintaining. Though it hasn't rained, it is flowering and all beautifully. Very attractive. Native one of that legume. So that is about, and it will be good for picnics and all. You can, if those mimosa and all are removed, so you can see somebody has got may put some bottles and all. This kind of meadow will be very nice for picnics. You can put your mat there and do the picnic activities. All such things can be done, and it's a very nice lawn formation only. All it needs is a little bit of water support, and dew formation also happens in this kind of place. So that is the basic concept. With someone who has done little bit observation or having some knowledge of native grasses, they can select the grasses of that local region. This one is only this much. The whole plant we can pull it out and see how it looks also. So if it is little bit not grazed, it will come up to this much height. More grazed, it will be like this.